What's up, everybody? Joe from Joe's Golden Garage here for you today. I've got a new one for you. 2019 Toyota Tacoma TRD Sport. This is my cousin's boyfriend's truck. Good looking truck. He just got it, I don't know, I bet he hadn't had it 6 months. Oh, that's cool. Got a place to plug in your hair dryer or your blender. I see the backup camera there. Got the tow package. It's a sharp little truck. It's the V6, which I don't know a whole lot about these things. I'm assuming the V6 is the 4-liter V6 that is in the what is it? The 4Runner? And did I call this a 4Runner when I meant to call this a Tacoma? If I did, sorry about that. Of course I meant this is a Tacoma. Yeah, that's the 4Runner engine. Needs to get on here and do a little detail work. It's kind of dirty to be still so new. 6.2 quarts. Good looking truck, man. Anxious to drive it. Of course, it's the full crew cab. He said, please pardon the dirtiness. Oh, looks like we got 22,234 on her. He's I believe, let's see, I think he's an engineer of some type, and does some road travel. He's put some logs and miles pretty quick. Let's get a start up here. Oh yeah. Maintenance required. 22,234. Got a nice little touch screen. I'm assuming this is Toyota's latest apps. Traffic event list. No data available. Audio. Home. Apps. Let's go to navigation. Huh, pretty cool. Push button start. Let's see. Heated mirrors. Sliding glass rear window. Auxiliary USB. A button I do not readily identify with. Not sure what that is. Got plenty of storage and cubby space down there. Let's take it for a little spin. Okay. It's gated like a Mercedes. Holy crap. Look how high the hood is on this thing. Yeah, I think he's logging some freeway miles. It's got a pretty nasty little rock chip right there. I'm not real sure if you can see that. There it is. Yeah, and like I said, he hasn't had this a long time. I would say about 6 months. But first impressions, just right here off the bat, is smooth. Very smooth. This is a smooth truck. Yeah, quiet and smooth. It's got your usual buttons and what have you on the steering wheel for phone and radio and that sort of thing. I'm guessing this is a 2-wheel drive truck. I do not see any switches for 4-wheel drive. And I didn't see a badge on the exterior, so I'm assuming it's a two-wheel drive, which that's cool. Man, this is a smooth truck. Super smooth. Oh yeah. Very peppy. Got good acceleration. Good throttle response. Man, this thing, you can feel, you know it's a Toyota. It feels like it's carved out of an anvil. Yeah, this thing is strong and stout. Love it. We'll get up here and do our 0 to 60. Okay, behind the maintenance required light, I found a digital speedometer. That's nice. I always like a digital speedometer. Okay, here we go. Woo! Yes, she's got plenty of guts. Such a smooth shifting transmission. Wow. Wonder what transmission that is. If anybody knows, comment. I'm not sure. What is that in a 19 Tacoma V6? Is it still just a 6-speed, or have they upgraded to one of the newer 8, 9, 10 speeds? Gosh, they got so many gears these days. Yeah, I love the bulging hood. I mean, that thing really stands out. It's pretty cool. Very quiet, very smooth. Oh yeah, very smooth truck. Yeah, if Lexus were to make a if Lexus were to make a pickup truck, it would feel a lot like this, I think. Because this thing is so smooth. And quiet. Very quiet, too. As well. It just downright gets up and goes, buddy. It will boogie. Love it. Very powerful. Very simple to use climate control. Everything's just knobs, hard knobs. I like that. The touchscreen looks pretty nice. It's the Intune system, and I'm assuming it's Toyota's latest and greatest, so I'm sure it has Apple CarPlay. Not sure if it has Android Auto. Was that the downfall with Toyota and their entertainment system? Question mark. Comment below. I'm not sure if they kept the two separate. Yeah, just a neat, responsive truck. Really like this. Brakes, man, good modulation. I like the brakes. man, that is a sweet engine. And I know that's an old engine. Been around for years, but gosh, it is so good. Alright guys, appreciate y'all watching. Like, comment, please subscribe. It really helps with the channel, helps with I'm trying to grow it and build a good subscriber base. So I think I've got like only 2 or 3% of my views are actually subscribed. Doesn't cost anything, it's free. So do me a favor, hit subscribe and hit the little bell icon just to notify you when I've dropped a new video. I appreciate y'all watching. We'll see you next time. Ooh, look at that bright nav. Y'all have a good night. Peace.